My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Polo Beats Edition. This vehicle has done just over 27,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have Apple and Android CarPlay, sound, our vehicle settings and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.